This is a gender reveal cake. Let's make it. Okay. Make sure it's nice and smooth. Okay, smooth. Put it in a bag. Put all the white inside. We're going to do the same thing with the blue. I'm gonna be making more blue, obviously because the gender is blue, but also because I want to use it for something else. For that, I think I'll need a little bit more. I'll check. Okay. But for this, I'm gonna be using a tip. So we need two identical tips. I really like using this tip. It's a big star tip. I'll tell you why I put a tip in this. For the vanilla, you don't need a tip. Okay, so now we get the cake out. Cake. We have the turntable, we put the board, we put a little bit of center, put a little bit of vanilla buttercream, and we add one layer over here. The gender is, it's a boy, so the cake is also blue, and the color inside is blue as well. I didn't make enough. Okay, I'm just gonna make sure the blue doesn't go outside because nobody wants to know that. Okay, it's a surprise. Then we put, if you see a little bit is going out, just cut it off at the edge. Really, don't let it go outside. Then you put the other layer. Okay, so that's the cake. Now for the sides, make the whole thing white. Okay. Clean the spatula because you have the gender color in it. Nobody wants to see it. Nobody wants to know. So clean it. Flatten the top. Okay. Nice and smooth. Then fix the sides. Please make sure that no color is visible because the cake is also color. We really don't want anybody to be able to see it. sides. The top. Okay. Now you have a flat top and the sides. Now, whatever is the left, okay, let's clean the sides first. Okay, now you take a little bit of glue and you put it at the bottom. Okay, bottom of the whole thing. Okay, you got the blue at the bottom. Now we need pink. It solves both the purposes. Okay, so this is the pink. I'm gonna do the same thing with the pink. Just take a little bit and put it at the top. Okay, just don't mix the If you think that the pink and blue is mixed, then just take a little bit of white and put it in the middle. Okay. Okay. So you have your pink, blue and white. Right now it might not look the best, but then you just take your scraper and run it through. Mix the whole thing. See where you're falling short, which part is falling short. And then of course you can add some extra buttercream over there. Okay, one more tactic. So this is how it looks. One more tactic to do this is you run this from the bottom, make a ridge, keep going, keep going, keep going, and it's gonna mix the pink and the blue. So it looks like it's merging. On top of the pink, something is missing. And just add it. I really like the ridge option because it covers a lot of faults. Okay, so if you do this, okay, keep going. Now once you reach the top, you cannot just slide it in because it is it's gonna ruin the whole look. So you just freeze the cake and you cut it, but right now I'm just gonna look for a way. just slowly take it off the edge. Slowly do it, very slowly. The cake is still frozen, so the buttercream is still a little bit cold. It's not completely frozen, but you can do this. Okay, now once you got this, then please take the same tips, okay? No air bubbles. You make a plus. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you repeat the same thing with glue. Perfect. Clean the sides. And then you can write, or you can put a topper, he or she, who will it be, or any message that you would want. But yeah, this is pretty much it. You can add sprinkles, you can add whatever you want, but this is pretty much it. This is the gender reveal cake.